So hi folks, my name is Sachin, and as you know that I'm just recording these videos because I just want to practice my spoken English. And as you can read my disclaimer where I just put all the necessary information that why I'm recording these videos and who I am, and basically you get the idea why I'm recording these videos, and I don't need to mention in this video the same topic that you already read on my description. So basically I'm recording this video because uh, of my last videos. I uploaded 4 videos on this YouTube channel, and this is the fifth video of this series. And I'm recording this video in order to practice my English. And also one more thing, this video is just a review video of these 4 videos. That 4 videos, and in this video, I'm gonna discuss about what I did wrong in that videos and where I need to improve myself. So let's get start this video. So first of all, I just want to tell you about in that 4 videos I just did a lot of mistakes, like grammatical mistakes, and I did a lot of pronunciation mistakes, and I don't know, but there are a lot of mistakes in that videos that I uploaded on YouTube. So uh, the thing I find the thing I found in basically the mistakes I found in that videos is uh, uh, two things. I know I'm not good at finding something or really mistakes, and by my own I just find out two mistakes in that video. So firstly is I'm using a word repetitively. That means I'm using a word a lot of times in these videos, and that word is basically. So basically it's a word that I'm using a lot of time in that videos, and I need to remove this from my spoken English. That's why I just uh, mention this problem with me. And I know there would be a lot of words in uh, these 4 videos, and I need to remove all of them from my spoken English. But first I just want to focus on this, and basically this is the word that only I found that word. So that's why I'm talking about that word. So basically I just want to remove that word basically. So basically is a annoying word for me for these 4 videos. I have been using that word a lot in that video. So this is the first point that I want to remove this word. So this is the mistake number one, and let's discuss about mistake number two. So there are a lot of filler words in my 4 videos, last 4 videos, and I just wanna remove these words, basically filler words from my spoken English. And the filler words would be anything like I'm using these words in order to complete, or let's say be fluent in English. And on the internet I watch a lot of videos where people try to uh, teach us how we can remove these words, but a lot of people tell in their videos like you can't remove these words. Basically you can remove these words, but in your starting page you can't remove these words. And if you want to remove these words, there there you should need time to remove these words. And this is my second problem that I wanna remove from my spoken English. Hope you understand, and thank you for watching this video. Hope you get the idea uh, why I'm recorded this video. So thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoy this video, and bye.